Extra GX. What the fuck? And me a CuteBoss I talk about say me I ride Rosealee wave. No. No, CuteBoss. Ride Rosealee wave. How that? How me come by for a ride Rosealee wave? Rosealee not send a gift over here, so me and Rosealee not playing a match together. Me and Rosealee, what you mean by me I ride Rosealee wave? If I say me try to seek a clout off of Rosealee, if you don't try to speak facts and talk factual, who no see a ride over wave? If you don't want to talk facts, nah, Caan. But no, we're not pray now. We're not pray, say. I'm a youth, them mad. I'm not everything we're not pray and 12 years and ray. But listen now. That eliminating that was about 2 weeks ago. All of them something they were not at. The world 12 year eliminating at 2 blood clot weeks. 12 year cut out in a 2 weeks. Adore. They bring down, first they bring down very far. You cannot come talk about deep a shit up argument and deep a batty argument. I'm still so I just know, man. I tell lip GX, you know. Turn away, don't go like you want, cause big by right, you know, man, no about only, you know. If you're not Jamaican, you don't know the right thing. People swallow teach for them something there, you know. You know? Foot block, hand block and all them bum buckler thing there, you know, brother. I'm gonna hold it as a G. You understand? So you can't tell me to go back in a way at the end of the day. Can't do that. You understand? Yeah, me I say my own sentence. Will I be a fool like Ziggy? Black butterfly though. Black butterfly, one next gift. No man.
Alright, now I'm going to phone you and can't because you should have better me don't say more half phone. More outside, I'm not going to buy no scam. Like if I'm out of run on my camp, you know. If you know it, then I'm going to take it
Black butterfly, you have a sitting up a blow. The blow. I'm not the blow. Yeah, the blow.
tree that we see. Weed tree. Come on, I go read. See? Price, I'm not sure what price too.
But she go over the extra mile with the disrespecting. And wanna call it. And now some name feed now, wanna call it rub out. And they bring down. And Natalia, good night, baby girl. Good night, baby. Yeah, so she got extra mile with the rub out, bring down, and all the name they wanna call them. You understand? When I have a next name, I'm gonna call the next one. I'm gonna say the crash out part. When she is crashing out, she disrespect again. She not, you know. So you know, you see, no, and none not hear me come out come say.
Just the price, same price.
And nobody not hear me a call her no names. Nobody not hear me a call her. No farmer names. You understand? Nah, try to get too disrespectful with her either. You know more than me just know, so watch this now. The more you do, and the more me just know, say, you go your ways and me go my ways. That's it. You know. And don't feel like sick. I'm not grow like punk, you know. I get good school and everything. I chase him there, so I reason no more while and people that under me like Jake's a waste man, Jake's under I never talk to. I come talk about my aunt that sit down and I rose for 12 years. My life here, she says so. Because I always screen record and people are talking. Virtual TV. Virtual TV. Virtual TV, I call me, but virtual TV. You know Yawa. You don't know, you don't know Yawa. Virtual TV, you pass batty boy. You hear that? Come talk about sit down and which 12 you hear that? In by sit down for which 12 years. We don't like to ask. We don't like to hear your friend where you are different so much. Say that. But sit down for 12 years. And Rosealee just started to TikTok for blood clot 2 years. Big batty boy virtual. This could shit up pussy hole ya. Brother, for anybody look for you, them see batty for you. And see worse, you try Obiaism. Every Obia man a batty boy. Me can't tell you that. Every Obia man a batty man. Everyone I know. Pussy. You go boy and make video. You know what you want me? You know what I want to remember about him? Look at shit up boy. What you feel like say? All of them. You remember RT coming in 3, 2, 1. RT in a big batty man too. The man not hide for battyism. Virtual go like him and straight, but Virtual a big batty boy. You feel like say? Shit up. Hey boy come talk about GX. I got batty man. Hey boy got hey boy na rampant man na pussy. The whole lot no shit up. You feel like say? RT him. Well, look at piece of table and him always. I do not even want to get dark, you know. Cause we don't feel like someone know. We know. We know. Cause we stay up on the outskirts and get the whole lot of file. But we never navigate via file virtual. Cause when we see you, we see batty for you. We see shit for you. You come past the place with man like say you know me from now. Big shit up virtual. But yeah, but father bomb. Father bomb. Me I say this go stinking blood clap, batty shit up. Father bomb. It sound like a big stinking girl in a brother. I'm mad them there. Moderator them there. Fix the chat. Mads, fix the chat. I say anybody will talk about love virtual, a batty boy. For when you come over here as a man I come talk about leave virtual, you're a batty man too. Punk, what you feel like say? You're never afraid, brother. Can't afraid neither. Can't afraid. You need to ask your friend. We are defend. Big shit up pussy. Never afraid. Oh, she's so calm, man. Business. My chat. Chat, everybody, thanks you at me them, you know. Thanks, chat. Nobody not really nobody not out there. Nobody not out there on Sunday evening. People gonna watch show, eat dinner and watch show. That I'm forgot to you know. I'm glad some remember about very towards still. Big man thing. But as though them stop me or whatever them want to, whatever them say them want to anyway. Glad some remember about him. Page him. Big man thing. Yeah. But nobody know what that chat. And do the same thing everybody have to do. I eat my dinner and watch some TV. They have Netflix. You understand? My cousin give me him account. I go and use. Nah, see nobody ever play in a match original. Never play Sean. We not see nobody. Sometimes I just watch TV too. So when Mama reach a play a match with other people and see me out here. I wish you got the kid with. Chat, tell Kiki for add me to play some 4-way. Tell her for add me. How's off here cause Kiki? In Brighty. Tell her for add me when them done. Beer, you see me there and want someone to play a match today, come over here and send flowers. But we have to go back Kiki still. Tell her when she done, she add me now make it 4-way. Zozo not to do that. Tell them I call them chat. Don't them start over the match, you know. Them start over back? It's so done. I look at the match just start. Sharon, a part of come on man, Cherry. Sharon, a part of TikTok. A part of TikTok. It's a part of TikTok, so them do it. So Jamaican TikTokers still. And Zozo always be Zozo. Again, everybody, good night here. Good night. One minute left. Good night, chat. And we gonna allow them to Zozo. Him both Zozo, Ziggy, because them and Ziggy in a banger. We don't really want to stay upon that. I want to go over Kiki. So I go with Kiki. One of them me and Kiki can go eat dinner one of them there, chat. Now, see, continue. When tell you the people, them, go have them family time. Cut to go to Aga and sit down with them daughter. Lies also I tell. Tell Kiki if you add me. Tell Kiki if you add me here. Zoza tell the blouse and swear girl but home over here talk someone I want to and them sitting there. Trina, happy New Year's, baby girl.
Everybody are dealing with
Allah, Brit walk out on him. Allah, you not tell. I walk out and ask clap, bag. A long time I not come over here. Brit walk out on him for show chat. Just to love chat. Cause maybe, yeah, I she over here first and whatever first. But that not say, can you hear me come over here and try to build a topic off of Rosealee? Always Jake's on the topic. Always Jake's on the topic. So CuteBoss, from the moment me touch the internet from September, I come with my own account. Even though everybody them time know me as Rosealee baby father, I been want to be known. You understand? And one time I come out, I never try to bring down my baby mother. I try to say, yo, me alright, me have to try to say, alright then. Me I talk about this and talk about that. And she been doing that. She a do that. And me I try to build a space in my youth there. And from I come out, and she a do that. So who alright, who for clout? Who alright, who for wave? So don't just chat too much. From me company off from September, who see a right over wave and who out the way. You mean by? That a squeak in a maze, you know? That a squeak. Big up in a mash. So come talk about who a ride wave from, who a ride wave from, who a ride wave. Team Vision make my house reach a decking, not Rosealee. Team Vision buy my clothes, not Rosealee. Or the wave riding business come in. Right now, CuteBoss, me I talk about you, not Rosealee. You see, and the rest of people, me I make the screen recording, and the screen recording page, I really only me I talk about not Rosealee because I never tried to make Rosealee be my topic. Never ever. You understand? So when I don't talk, say, we just stay quiet. I'm here to talk about go back together. That's impossible. I was disrespected in front of the world. I'm not in the house alone. It's not like it's a house argument. I was split up in the house and me come on the internet or whatever. No. I was disrespected in front of the world. The whole world. Here Rosealee and disrespect me. What you take man for, CuteBoss? All them could tell them get pissed off and feel ignorant and I disrespect all you too. Because you look a pussy. You understand? You really take man for. Brother. No one talks man, but very and baby mother and baby father and be a fuck with talking them there. You mean by baby mother and baby father? No found have pitney. 3, 4, 5 pitney fit much different rascal man. So only can left phone baby father. Or baby phone baby father can left uno. And me can left, me we can what we can left. What make we can left? Come talk about no whatever and who I go back to whatever and who I go back to whatever. Watch it man. Go answer and go fuck with chatting man. So even if 6 months after, cause I can't soon. I must 6 months after, 1 year after, we start live good. We can't get back. Can't. I'm gonna make sure publicize that. We just cannot get back. You get me? We have 2 youth together, so maybe after one long while, we might start correspond because of the youth then. We just cannot get back. You understand? So I just that.